Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've come up with a new product uh, which is called as wireless earphones, which I have bought it from Paytm. Today I'm going to unbox it and show you about how this product and how all things work out. As I told you, I bought it from Paytm and I'm gonna remove this. So guys, I have come up with this new product called wireless headphones, which is a type of a stereo, and it has a mic to it, so we can make calls and everything. So it gets connected to the wireless Bluetooth version of 4.1, and as it's written, it has a thrilling sound quality, built-in mic for hands-free calling, built-in rechargeable battery, and a backup up to 8 hours, and sweat-proof material built for superior comfort. And it has a 3 different variation of color types, so we don't have the choice to uh, choose the color in the Paytm. So as you see, we got a color of red, and let's try to open it. And we have some manual in it. It has all the information of how to turn it on and the specifications of it. And let's move it aside. And let me just keep them aside, and then I will show you how these things work. Guys, I have just gone through the user manual, and it has instructions of how this works and how to turn this on and to connect it to a mobile. And there is a button here uh, which is a power button. If we hold it for too long, and it's gonna turn on, and in the same way, to turn it off, you need to hold it for a long time. And here are the volume button, and here is the volume minimize button. And on the other side, we have the charging port. We need to plug it out. So here is the charging port. And so let's just try to turn this on. So I'm gonna hold it for like 1 or 2 seconds. So as you see, there's a blink on it. So in this meantime, we need to like turn on our Bluetooth in our mobile, and it will show some name in the Bluetooth. So we need to pair it with this earphones, so that it's going to get connected, and we can play the music, and if we get the call in the middle, we just need to press this button so that it lifts the call and we can talk. So guys, just to say the review of it, I have used this product for about a week, and made a shoot of it, and make a complete review on how this feels, and it actually easily connects to my mobile phone, and I have used this product for a week, and I really like the sound quality of it, and I really suggest you guys to buy this. And if you are really going to buy the wireless one, and which I got it from Paytm for about uh, 500 rupees with all the taxes and the transport charges, everything. So thank you guys, and I know that it's been a long time for me to upload a video, and from now I'm gonna be in touch and upload video for about at least a month. Thank you guys.